Open the software and select the device. Tap Pole Calibration to enter the calibration page. Tap Antenna Height at the top to set the antenna parameters. Set the pole height to 1.8 m. After setting, tap OK to return to the calibration page. Tap Calibrate the centering rod. Rotate the pole until the pointer is aligned within the blue blank area. Keep the bottom of the pole fixed and gently swing it back and forth. The device will automatically collect 50 points. Repeat this procedure in 4 directions to complete the calibration.